You can sew garments out of knit fabric using your regular sewing machine as long as the machine has a stretch or zigzag stitch and you have the correct needle for your fabric. A ballpoint or jersey needle with a rounded tip is the best for sewing knits. The rounded tip pushes in between the threads of the fabric without damaging them. For the same reason, you'll want to use ballpoint pins for your knit projects. If a material has a lot of spandex in it, like a performance knit, try using a stretch needle. It has the same rounded ballpoint tip like the jersey needle, but the indentation above the eye in the stretch needle is longer, which helps the bobbin hook more easily grab the thread. In order for your seams to stretch with the fabric without breaking, you'll need to change to a zigzag or other stretch stitch. For a zigzag stitch, start with a shorter stitch length and average width. Different fabrics and projects may require different settings, or you may prefer the way one stitch looks. It's best to practice different settings and stitches before starting a project to see what works best. As you sew, you want to avoid stretching the fabric, which will distort your seam. Support the fabric as it moves through the sewing machine so that it doesn't stretch or hang off the work surface. If you notice the fabric is still being distorted, you may need to adjust the pressure on your presser foot. Refer to your machine manual for how to lower the pressure on your machine. Since knit fabrics will not fray, you can trim the seam allowances close to the stitching line for a clean finish. To top stitch or hem your knits, you can use a zigzag stitch or a twin needle. The twin needle creates a stretchy stitch by making an evenly spaced double top stitching that stretches the bobbin thread in between the two top threads. It is not the same as straight stitching twice. To add a twin needle to your machine, double check your machine's manual to see how your particular machine is designed to hold the needle and follow those instructions. And that's how you sew knits on a regular sewing machine.